So one of the most daunting tasks for prospective Chinese students is the thought of trying to learn a language that isn't written phonetically. And so I created an app that has flashcards for students to practice um, connecting characters and their pronunciations, which are written in a romanization called pinyin. Um, so when you get onto the page, you can sign in if you have a username. If you don't have one, then you can click here and it'll create an account. So maybe we have a user, Dory Tang. And this password, squishy. And then get added to the leaderboard here, down with 0 points. So now we can log in as Dory, squishy. And it'll automatically bring up some built-in study lists that if you click will create flashcards that you can use. If you know the pronunciation, you click on the one you know, and it'll tell you you're correct. And you can go next to the next one, and it counts down how many cards you have remaining in the list. If you're not sure and get it wrong, it'll say you're wrong, and tell you the correct pronunciation. And every time you get one right, you get points. So I'm up to 1 point. If you're in a class with maybe different vocabulary and you need to create your own list of characters, you can create a new list, maybe one, you're trying to learn the numbers. So you can either copy paste or type in maybe it's 1 through 10. And it'll so put in your Chinese characters and hit submit, and it will go to a public API called ctext.org and will find the appropriate readings, the pinyin readings, and store them in a new list of flashcards. So you can click on the new one, numbers, and go through. If you get one wrong, like this, it'll reshuffle it into the deck and it'll come back later. But then once you get to the end, let's see, get through these quickly. Bear with me. All right, so on the last one, it should bring up how many you got right, how many you got wrong, and it'll tell you how many points you earned. And Dory now has 11 points and moved up the leaderboard ahead of P. Sherman. Cool. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.